Everyone, welcome back. Once we are done with get method in linked list, it's time to see set method in linked list. So firstly, set method changes value of the node by its position in linked list. What it actually means. So in an example, we have linked list with value 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. Suppose I want to change value 2 and make it 7. At that time, I can make use of set method and it changes value of its node by specifying its position. And what will be the pseudocode for that? So yes, we will define a function that accepts value and an index. And once we are ready with our value and an index, we will use get function to get specified node. If suppose our node is not found, at that time we will return false. But if node is found, we will set the value of that node to be the value passed to that function and then return true. It's a very easy thing. Let's implement this pseudocode in our Visual Studio. Here, suppose I want to update value of 2 in our linked list. So let's go ahead. Firstly, I will create set method. As per our pseudocode, set method will take two parameters. The first will be the value and second one will be the index. So our value will be 7. That will be val for us and index will be 1. That will be index for us. And then inside that, it has been told use get function to get specified node. So I will write let found node variable. Inside that, I will call our get method this.get and there I will pass our index. Till this point, everything is clear. Then in our pseudocode, it is told if node is not found, return false. Else, if it is found, set the value of that node to be the value passed to that function and return true. So we will simply write if node is not found condition first. If it is not found, then we will return false. Here to make our code in less number of line, I will remove the spaces. Yes. And in the else part, we will write in the case of if node is found. So found node dot value is equal to val. If that is done, we will return true. And that's it. As simple as that. So let's call this particular method. We will use my linked list dot set method. And there we will pass value 7 and index 1. So actually value 2 will be updated. And to see the things on console, I will write console.log before it. Yes. With this, we are done. Let's see our output in browser. Here, we are getting true. That means our code is working as our expectation. But let's see, is actually my linked list is updated or not. For that, before returning true, I will write console.log this. So here value 2 is not present, value 7 is present. That means value 2 is updated and our code is working as per our expectation. Suppose if I will pass invalid index, that means instead of 1 I will pass 7, then see what's happening. It is returning false and it is not going inside an else part also. So that's great. With this, we have covered set method in linked list and it's very easy to implement. And let's meet in our next video tutorial for insert and remove method. And my friends, please follow my complete playlist for data structure and algorithms to have good understanding about these topics. Thank you very much for now.